Hello, my friends. Welcome to our new podcast episode. We have a simple question for you. Do you think friendship changes over time? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, let's dive into the video. At the end of the video, we will explain the new words, so don't skip that part.
Hey Victoria, welcome to our new podcast episode.
Yes. Welcome to all of our audience. So, what's the topic?
Well, today's podcast topic is friendship.
Oh, that sounds great. I hope our viewers are going to love the conversation and learn a lot of things.
So, today we'll explore several important aspects of friendship, including how it changes over time, why friendship is vital in our lives, and tips on finding a perfect friend.
Wow, I'm pretty much excited about this. So, my first question would be why friendship is important.
Well, friendships are important in many ways. Friends can help you celebrate good times and provide support during bad times.
That's right. Friends prevent isolation and loneliness and give you a chance to offer needed companionship too.
Good friends are good for your health. Sometimes we have to go through a bad time. People who receive support from friends or family after a personal loss are better able to cope with their grief.
Not only that friends give you self-confidence, we may doubt our decisions and abilities. Good friends stand by you and help you believe in yourself.
Spending time with friends is fun. It may also produce long-term physical and emotional health benefits. So keep your friends and make new ones. You can never have too many.
Hey Diana, please join us and say something.
Thanks, Victoria. We first have to know what friendship is.
Friendships are bonds between two or more people who want to engage with one another.
Friendship is a powerful and essential part of the human experience. The friends we make and keep throughout our lives have the power to shape who we are, support us through challenging times, and inspire us to be better individuals.
Well said, Diana. The most significant power of friendship is providing a sense of belonging and connection. When we engage in meaningful friendships, we develop a sense of community, feeling part of something bigger than ourselves.
Right, and this connection allows us to share our joys, sorrows, successes and failures with people who care about us, making us feel seen, heard, and understood.
In times of trouble, we often turn to each other for guidance, sympathy, and support. Having someone to lean on can help all of us cope with stress and anxiety and give us the strength to carry on through tough times.
What is true friendship? Let's talk about that.
True friendship is a deep and meaningful bond between people based on mutual trust, respect, and support. It goes beyond surface-level interactions and is built on genuine care, honesty, and understanding.
I totally agree with you. In true friendship, both people can be their authentic selves without fear of judgment, and they share both good times and bad. It involves loyalty, being there for each other during difficult moments, and celebrating each other's successes.
True friends listen, offer advice when needed, and help each other grow. It's a relationship that stands the test of time and challenges, rooted in love and compassion.
In the past, I had some friends who used to say I was their best friend. But when I needed support or help, they were never there.
I can feel your pain, Michael. It's really disappointing when people who claim to be your closest friends don't stand by you when you need them most. Some friends pretend to be there for us, but when it comes down to actually being supportive, whether emotionally or practically, they just disappear. It can make you feel like all those years of friendship were based on nothing but words, not actions.
Hey, Victoria. Now let's talk about something different. How was your friendship with your friends back in school?
Oh no, school friendships were the best friendships of my life.
Really? Please share and tell us why.
When I was in school, I used to play all kinds of games, which helped me make friends from different classes. We would spend hours together, not just playing but sharing our stories, laughs, and even little secrets. There was this sense of innocence, and none of us were thinking about competition, status, or judgment. We were just kids enjoying the moment. It wasn't about what you had or who you were. We just wanted to have fun.
So, did you have no best friend in your school?
Yes, I actually did have a best friend. Her name was Sarah, and we were inseparable back then. I used to sit with her every day in the classroom, and we would share everything, from our snacks to our secrets. She was the type of friend who genuinely cared about me. Whenever I was upset or going through something, she would be the first one to notice and always knew how to cheer me up.
Then why has your friendship changed now?
There are a few reasons. She got into a relationship with a guy who wasn't a good person. I warned her and even asked her not to continue with him, but she didn't listen. Over time, her priorities changed, and we started drifting apart. She spent most of her time with him, and I felt like I wasn't a part of her life anymore. It hurt me, but there wasn't much I could do. Eventually, we just stopped talking as much, and things were never the same.
It's so sad. Without friends, how can you be happy in your life?
I used to think happiness depended on having friends, but I've learned it comes from within. While friends are important, I've found peace in enjoying my own company and doing things I love.
Great. How can I test if my friend is truly my real friend?
It's not always easy to test a friendship, but there are a few signs to look for. A real friend is someone who supports you, not just in good times, but especially when things are tough. They're the ones who show up when you need them, even if it's inconvenient.
Genuine friends are honest with you, even when it's hard, but they never try to hurt you on purpose. They respect your boundaries and trust, and they're happy for your successes without feeling jealous. You don't need to test them with games or challenges. Just pay attention to how they treat you over time. The strongest friendships grow naturally through shared experiences, trust, and mutual respect. If someone stands by you through thick and thin, that's your real friend.
It's time to learn new words. I always say, never stop learning. The more words you know, the easier it is to express yourself. Whether you're chatting with friends, writing, or speaking in public, having a strong vocabulary helps you say exactly what you mean. So, let's learn some new words today. Each word you learn makes you a better communicator. Keep up the good work and let's get started.
So the first word is inconvenient.
Inconvenient means something that causes difficulty, discomfort, or is not suitable. Example, the store closes early, which is inconvenient for people who work late.
Nice. Can you tell us one more example?
Sure, the bus arrives very early in the morning, which is inconvenient for people who like to sleep in.
Well, the second word is inseparable.
Inseparable means two or more people or things that are always together and cannot be separated. Example 1. Sarah and her best friend are inseparable. They do everything together. Example number 2. My phone and I are inseparable. I take it everywhere I go.
The next word is grief. We have seen in the conversation. Here, people who receive support from friends or family after a personal loss are better able to cope with their grief. So does it mean?
Well, grief means deep sadness, especially when someone close to you has died or something very sad has happened. Example, she felt intense grief after losing her grandmother.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.